Good morning, students. Yes, we are discussing chapter 4 heat, and we have discussed the methods of transfer of heat. Okay, conduction in solids by conduction, heat transfer in solid by conduction, heat transfer in liquid and gases by convection, and we also discuss about radiation. The heat from the sun come to us by in the form of waves by radiation. So we have discussed about this in there are three methods of transfer of heat. Okay, so now we will move to our next topic, clothes for summer and winter. This is the last topic of our this chapter. Okay, clothes for summer and winter. You always listen from your parents. Your parents said that, always says that wear light colored cloth in summer and dark colored cloth in winter. Why बेटा? आपके पेरेंट्स मतलब आपको ऑलवेज कहते हैं कि आपको समर में क्या है, लाइट कलर्ड क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं और विंटर में डार्क कलर्ड क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं. वाई बेटा? हमें ये तो पता है कि हमें समर में लाइट कलर क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं और विंटर के अंदर डार्क कलर क्लोथ पहनने हैं. बट वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड दिस. द लाइट कलर्ड क्लोथ्स रिफ्लेक्ट द हीट back into the environment and keep us cool. Because the light colored clothes reflect the heat. That means the heat that fall on light colored clothes, the light colored clothes reflect this heat. So this heat goes back into the environment in this way and keep us cool. ठीक है, जो भी लाइट कलर क्लॉथ के ऊपर हीट डलती है वो उस लाइट कलर क्लॉथ से टकराने के बाद वहां से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है, यानी वापस एनवायरनमेंट में ट्रांसफर हो जाती है. ठीक है, यानी लाइट कलर क्लॉथ्स उसको एब्सॉर्ब नहीं करते. इन दिस वे दीज लाइट कलर क्लॉथ्स कीप अस कूल. ओके, एंड व्हाई डू वी वियर डार्क कलर क्लॉथ्स इन विंटर? द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज दैट the dark colored clothes absorb the heat from the environment and keep us warm. Yes, beta. The reason behind this is that the dark colored clothes absorb the heat from the environment and keep us warm. The heat that fall on dark colored clothes, this heat are absorbed by the dark colored clothes. And these dark colored clothes in this way keep us warm. ठीक है, light colored clothes reflect the heat and dark colored clothes absorb the heat. So we can say that always wear light colored clothes in summer and dark colored clothes in winter. Okay. You also listen. In winter, wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter also. Yes. How do woolen clothes keep us warm? How do woolen clothes keep us warm, beta? Yes. Because the woolen clothes are bad conductor of heat. That means they do not allow the heat to pass through the woolen clothes. Therefore, they do not allow the heat from the body to move out in the environment. The heat that is present in our body, these woolen clothes do not allow this heat to move out in the atmosphere. From the body, do not move out in the atmosphere. They do not allow the heat from the body to move out in the environment, atmosphere. Clear? As a result, the air present between the woolen cloths and our body becomes hot and thus make us feel warm. In this way, air trapped between the woolen cloth and our body. So there make a layer of air that do not allow to pass out in the atmosphere, that do not allow the heat from the body do not move out in the atmosphere. In this way, woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. You also listen that your parents say that wear 2-3 layers of clothes instead of one thick layer. Yes, in winter, your parents says that wear 2-3 layers of clothes instead of one thick layer. Okay? Why, beta? Because the reason behind this is that the air trapped between the layers of clothes, and air is a bad conductor of heat that do not allow the heat from the body to move out in the atmosphere. जिससे उसके अंदर क्या एयर्स की 2-3 लेयर्स बन सकती हैं, जिससे वो जो हमारी बॉडी की हीट है उसको एनवायरनमेंट में पास होने नहीं देते. जबकि एक थिक अगर हमने लेयर पहनी है तो उसके अंदर एयर की भी एक ही लेयर बनेगी. तो उसके कंपैरिजन में अगर हम देखें तो 2-3 लेयर्स हमें ज्यादा वार्म रखती हैं कंपैरिजन टू वन थिक लेयर. सो वी वियर 2-3 layers of clothes in winter. We should wear 2-3 layers of clothes in winter. So I think you understand this. Clothes for summer and winter. In summer, always wear white or light colored clothes. Okay. And in winter, always wear dark colored clothes and woolen clothes. Okay. Because woolen clothes are bad conductor of heat that do not allow the heat from the body to move out in the atmosphere. Okay, as a result, the air present between the woolen cloth and our body becomes hot. जो air होती है हमारी मतलब woolen cloth और हमारी body के बीच में वो air भी क्या हो जाती है, hot हो जाती है and make us feel warm, जिसकी वजह से हमें क्या होती है, warm feel होता है अंदर से. We feel warm. ओके और हमें वो मतलब ठंड से इस तरह से एनवायरनमेंट की जो कूलनेस है, एनवायरनमेंट में जो कूलनेस है, कूल एयर है, उससे वो हमें इस तरह से बचाते हैं. वहां बाहर से कूल एयर को भी अंदर नहीं आने देती और हमारी जो बॉडी की हीट है उसको भी बाहर नहीं निकलने देती. इन दिस वे दे कीप अस वार्म इन विंटर. सो ऑलवेज वियर डार्क एंड वुलन क्लोथ्स इन विंटर एंड लाइट एंड कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर. Okay, beta. I hope you understand this. Read this chapter from book. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.